Hi everyone! Today I'm going to share with you the nail art I wore for my birthday recently. They are thermal gradient floral nails. I started with a cool toned purplish pink base, just one coat. It's best to use some sort of barrier or liquid latex for around the cuticles, for easier cleanup later. On a sponge, I added the base color and the thermal polish below it, then sponged lightly onto the nails. I only needed one coat because these polishes are pretty thick, but you may have to do a few layers depending on what you use. I like to clean up around the cuticles at this point to have a neat base to work on. To begin the florals, I mixed a few drops of white polish with pure acetone to create a watercolor texture. For the first design, paint large petals, focusing most of the color towards the inside of the flowers. I tend to go over the lines a few times and make the petals look streaky so they have some texture. When you're happy with the shape of the flowers, use more white polish, not thinned with acetone, to add an outline around some of the petals and a few extra lines on the inside of the flowers. Next, I added some rose gold details, several dots for the inside of the flowers, and a few leaves around the outside of the petals. The second design is similar, but I decided to make smaller, less detailed white flowers. With the thinned white again, you can make some full flowers or half flowers, but they're really just little blobs of the color since the effect of the polish does most of the work here. Then add the same rose gold dots inside and a few leaves around. Finish with a top coat to bring the design to life. I really hope you all like this design, and if you recreate it, I would love to see it on Instagram. Please like and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video.